Alright, rise and grind. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2013 Chevy Malibu. We're doing auxiliary battery. I wanted to show you how that's done. It's not on my channel, so let's get to it. It's in the trunk. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, the trunk area to your left. Got this flap right here. Pull it down. And there's the battery. Got a 10 mil holding that strap down. 10 mil. Got that screw out of there, that bolt. Now we can work on these. Alright, we got these bolts out. They actually like a 6 mil or 7 mil, one of them, but the 8 mil did not fit. Just use some pliers. Use my grip pliers to get them off. Alright, we got that out. Go ahead and swap it out with the new one. Alright, that's it. Quick video. Alright, hope the video helped out. Until next time, Pull Up King.